What's up, y'all? It's Coach Jordan. We are gonna make a summer swag. Y'all, I love geraniums. Geraniums are one of my favorite summertime flowers. So I snagged some up. You guys, I'm right here. If you guys didn't know, I'm right here. So I snagged some red geraniums up, and then some really pretty like little filler flower. I got this at Hobby Lobby. And then I snagged some larger stemmed ones at Hobby Lobby as well. So we're gonna put some of those in. So love these. So my idea is kind of like just layering these in there. One, we're gonna put one at the top and then two pointing down. Just finding my center spine. Wreath making does not have to be hard, you guys. It really doesn't. It can actually be really, really simple. And I'm going to trim this one up just a little bit because I don't want that stem poking out up at the top. So look at that. Boom. Shakalaka. So now we're gonna add this one in as well. And we're just tying it in there, you guys. Using what has already been given to us. These pine branches are wired, right? So we're wiring all of that in. We're just tying that in, you guys. And now we've added in that stem. So we're gonna start off with a tail because I want one kind of coming up. So we're gonna make two 14-inch loops. So that's gonna make a 7-inch loop. So I brought this in. I want to make 3 loops. Okay. So we've got our 3 loops. Love this right here. I am going to cut this tail. Look how pretty that's already going to look, you guys. So we're going to come on in with this red and white like picnic pattern, which is perfect. It reminds me so much of 4th of July, you guys. And we are making 3 loops with this as well. So look, now we've got our bow. So look how pretty that is. So we're just gonna come in with my zip tie. Zip ties are one of my favorites. Y'all know I love me some zip ties. So we're gonna tighten that up. So I got some tails coming up at the top, some at the bottom. So there we go. We've added in our bow. So now I'm gonna come on in with this off to the side right here. And we're just gonna tie that in. Okay, so we made a nice little loop and tail, a little roller coaster. So no glue so far. Okay, so now my hot glue is probably piping hot, you guys. I have kept it on all afternoon. So it's probably up to like 500 degrees and I'm here for it. But now we're gonna come in with this, you guys look at that steam just rolling off. Yikes. But this one we are gonna glue in, you guys. So we are adding this in. Just something really, and I love this because y'all look at the colors of the variegation on the greenery. It's nice and fresh. So y'all look how pretty that actually looks. So you've got some dimension on it as well. I love that it is still flat in the back. What the heck is that? Oh, but look how pretty that is. So now I have 4 geranium stems. So I'm gonna put 1 at the top and 3 down here at the bottom. So we're putting 1 at the top. I forgot to cut the price tag off. It's okay, nobody come for me, please. Don't be afraid to look at your local craft store, you guys, or even in your own personal stash, because I know a lot of us have stashes. So we got 1, 2, I kind of want 1 in this general area, 3, and then 4. So now I'm gonna come onto the right-hand side of the swag, and we're gonna put this one back behind the bow. So I'm actually gonna start down here at the bottom, and come on in, add that, there we go. I think I want this kind of right here in this little middle section. Do something real quick, you guys, because I'm noticing something, like I'm missing something right back here. So she looked a little unbalanced. She looked like a Saturday night after a night of clubbing. I'll come back and add that in. So we can put that just like that. I want some of these because I love these, y'all. They're nice and wispy, adding that wispiness to it. So we're gonna glue these puppies in. I love these little twiggies. So they're not wired from end to end, but this part right here is wired. So you can kind of curve it whichever way you want it to. But these are not. These parts are not wired. Okay. So I'm gonna add some of those in. Love these wispies, you guys. But look how pretty this is, you guys. Like, really, really pretty summer swag. No mesh. Y'all, there's our swag. Look how pretty that is.